day guys, welcome to my channel. If you're getting little to no views, turn this feature on now and do what I'm about to tell you to do right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you a video of what you're going to do and the feature you're going to turn on so that you will start getting views. Okay, so please and please be patient in this video so that you will know what to do. Okay, and also watch carefully. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you now what exactly to do and the feature to turn on so that your views can be much better. Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we'll go to browser. Just go to any browser of your choice. You can type YouTube Studio. Okay, then you click on YouTube. So this is exactly what you will see. Then you click on continue to studio. Okay, so your dashboard will appear like this. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click on customization. Look at what I actually clicked. This is the customization. Okay, you can see it here. You add your email if you haven't added your email. As you can see, this is where I added my email. Then you go to settings. You can see where settings are. Then you go to channel. Click on channel. When you click on channel, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see keywords. Okay, these keywords I added are keywords according to my niche. Okay, so depending on your niche, you're going to go to the channels of popular people, okay, that are handling your type of niche. Okay, you go and check the keywords that they usually use. You can go there, copy them and paste here. Are you seeing this place where the keywords are? Okay, you go copy and paste the keywords there. Make sure you put enough keywords that are related to your niche. Do you understand? Most of you, there are no keywords here. Most of you, when you check, there are no keywords here. As you can see my own keywords: YouTube growth, increase YouTube views. You can see that they are all related to my niche. So what you are going to do, you will go to just exactly how I told you. You go to your keywords and put enough keywords. Go to, as in, people that are handling your type of channel. Okay, people that have gone far in the kind of niche that you're doing. You go there, copy the kind of keywords that they use and put here. Okay, then after that you save them here. Okay, you're going to see where the wrote save. You click on save. Okay, so that it can be saved. Then you go to feature eligibility. You can see where feature eligibility is above. Okay, you make sure all these features are enabled. Are you seeing them? The standard features, the intermediate features. Go and check them. Make sure they are all enabled. Okay, after you enable them, you now click on save. Then you can now post your videos. Okay, so please, to get more tips on how to get more views and everything concerning how to grow your channel, I would like you to subscribe to my own channel, okay, so that you can get more tips and tricks on how to increase your views, your likes, and all that. Okay, so see you guys in my next class. Take care of yourself. Bye.